guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be opening McDonald toys, but where are they? I'll do some magic, but when we do that, first hit the subscribe button and like the video. I'm gonna introduce myself. My name is Audrey, and what's your name?
My name is Cristiano.
So quick magic, cover the camera. Yeah! We totally didn't hide it. Not yet. We have to say miraculous science. Doraemon.
There's some Japan, right?
Alright, open it. Wow. You have to do this. Well, I think this is magnetic powder. So we're gonna just do this and then pull it up. It's just like drawing. It will pick it up. You'll see something following me. That's not a lot. It's just pretty cool too. Wow. So, alright guys, see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Give us a big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. We want 1 million subscribers, so press the subscribe button. And we'll see you next time. Bye!